Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. So as you can see, I'm talking about Bauer at Harbor Freight today. Now last week I did a video for you on Ryobi tools and the Ryobi Days sale they have going on, and you guys seem to like that video. It was watched pretty well. This one is a Harbor Freight thing. They're kind of doing the same thing. They're doing Bauer Days, and they got a few bundles for us. And this is interesting for Harbor Freight because they're not the greatest at doing bundles normally. So I'm pretty happy they're doing this. And what do they have? They have three things for sale here you can see. First and foremost, know that it is in-store only, so there's no online to this. And it's going on the whole month. It ends June 30th. But they have three options for us. The first is a tool bundle, which they don't normally do, so this is nice. You're getting a 5 amp hour battery, a rapid charger, which is nice, and a choice of any of their brushless tools in the Bauer line. So that's a pretty good deal. Harbor Freight's $99 one is comparable, but it's a smaller battery, a normal charger, not a rapid charger, and it's a brushed tool. So you're not getting the second battery here, but you're getting what looks to be a little bit more high-end on the charger and battery and a brushless tool. They also are offering a couple of battery bundles here, which are saving you a little bit of money. Saving $40 and $20 depending on the size batteries. You can see that there in the center of the screen. And then the third one is very kind of, I'll say, interesting / weird to me. I didn't know they were making battery-operated air compressors. So, this one's a $200 option, a brushless compressor, the 5 amp hour battery, and the rapid charger. If somebody owns that tool, let me know how it works. How long do you get? What can you run on that battery-operated compressor? I know there's little handheld ones, inflators, I think they call them in many lines, but this is considering itself a true compressor. So I'd be interested to know how that works. But anyway, guys, this is just a quick informational video for you. I don't own Bauer tools, so I'm not going to tell you go buy these because they're great or what. I'm giving you the information on the sale only. I am in Harbor Freight in the Hercules line. I have this Hercules drill, but I don't own a Bauer drill, so I don't want you to think I'm saying go buy these tools because they're great. This video is for you to see that they have the sale going on. And of course, as always, buyer beware there. If you like a video like this, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. And let us know in the comments if you take advantage of this sale, because I'd be interested to know how it worked for you and how you like the tool. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next one.